Dakota, where's Coders? You enjoying the sunbathing, my love? Look how cute she is.
You enjoying the outside?
Look at that little baby. Little Coders.
Watch your head.
I gotta get out of the way.
So watch your head. You're standing right under it. Fortunately, I had to cut down this banana leaf tree. Provided this house is so much shade. But busted our sprinkler system. Now you gotta cut it down. Welcome to the adult life.
Homeowner life. Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag homeowner life. Timber.
I'm the modern day Paul Bunyan. I just feel bad hurting the tree, but I gotta do it.
Oh, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Trying to figure out my plan of attack on this thing.
Alright, Tarzan.
I'm not Tarzan. Tarzan would be doing the opposite of what I'm doing. He'd be planting trees and swinging from them. I'm cutting them down so Tarzan can't swing no more.
Oh, that don't sound good. Jeez, watch the house.
I'm fanning the goddess.
Whoa.
You like that air? What is it?
Let me go on the other side. Ooh. Oh, I wanted you to fan her again. Here's our tree update. Making progress. We're losing all our shade on our porch. The bin is full.
Gotta be done.
And Dakota is sunbathing. Right, baby? Coders, you sunbathing? Get thanked.
Get thanked, yo. T-Mobile. Non-spawn. That means non-spawn.
Oh.
Sure, our neighbors love us. Look at this. Look at all this on the ground.
Hi, Dakota. You enjoying your ice cubes, little one? You like your ice cubes? Ooh, fresh air, huh? Someone's taking a break on the job.
You asked me to text the neighbor and see if we could use their bin. Ours is full.
I think we're about halfway there, though. You getting oozed on again?
Yeah, not in a good way.
Let me see.
I just wiped it off.
Oh.
Fortunately, this is the wind that is blowing it in my direction.
Oh. just going.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Now people are gonna witness me telling you to watch out. You don't get out of the way, and then a tree branch hits you in the head.
Well, I wasn't expecting it to hit there.
Can somebody please tell me what this is? Is this honey or something? I don't know what that is. I don't know what this thing is. What is this? Disgusting. Look at it. Look at here. Look, more's coming out. It's gross. I feel like I should be censoring this. I don't know what that is.
It's dying.
It's gross.
You killed it, my love.
I didn't want to. I'm sorry, tree. I'm saying sorry every time I swing this. We got little salamanders hanging out in the holes. These little things, they're all hanging out in there. There's like a big salamander playground.
Alright, tree update number 3 or 4. I lost track.
I don't remember.
Getting there.
I'm afraid to cut this thing. It's gross. It's all oozing and stuff. I don't know what that is.
I don't know. Get back to work, T-Mobile.
Get thanked. Non-spawn.
Will you stop saying that?
Now watch your head. Yeah. Yeah. I go down at an angle. Yeah. Okay, one more.
That one's thick.
I'm very sure that there's an easier way to do this.
Probably. Or get a chainsaw like normal people.
Maybe.
Just watch out for me and Dakota, please. I don't know which way that thing's gonna go.
That's why when I say watch out, watch out. Why does I feel like I'm in the kitchen? Chopping up a bunch of veggies. All over the place. Eating some seconds. Comment.
That's what she said.
That's right.
Well, that looks like it's kind of attached to the other one. Woo!
What do I do? Whoa!
I watched out that time.
I'm glad you watched at that time because 4 came down.
Okay, tree update number 5.
Talk about high five because that's basically all the tree can give us now is just
Dakota's still enjoying herself in the sun and shade. Almost done. Filled up 2 bins, our neighbors and ours, and plus a whole bunch on the side of the house. So tree day 2 of our project is not happening. Someone's feeling a little bit under the weather.
I'm not feeling good today.
And what do you think is the cause of your sickness?
I was chopping down the tree and the tree fought back. It sprayed the water because it collects the water. It was like, Kyrie, can you stop? Jeez.
He thinks it's an alien virus.
No, I didn't think it was an alien virus. When I was trying to chop down some of the tree, it like sprayed in my face.
It was fighting back.
And I think I caught something. I'm not feeling well today.
He's been taking a little bit of Dayquil. Hopefully that will help.
A little bit.
And he's trying on his new shoes.
I'm taking on a dose every 4 hours as described via the directions. And not to exceed 4 doses in a single 24-hour day. So I've got 2 more lined up that I'm going to take. And hopefully tomorrow I'll have my voice back.
Yeah. So I'm making some homemade chicken soup.
With potatoes.
With potatoes. I have some in the pantry, but Justin said we can't use those because it has veggies in it. So He has requested his own chicken noodle soup.
I want you to make me some homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm not feeling well.
You trying on your shoes yet?
No, I can't do the laces right.
Oh Lord. Do you need me to help you with that too?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm being summoned. First ever homemade chicken noodle soup.
Drinking 2 things of tea today.
Come here, Kyrie. Come on, Kyrie. Sit. 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 Kyrie, come here. Sit.
Well, we finally got the HOA to approve the removal of this tree. So I'm all geared up because safety is important. I've never used a chainsaw before, but I think I know how. Let's tear this bad boy out. So guys, this is what we are left with. This is as best as I can get it, as low as I can get it, before I've got to go ahead and call the professionals. The professionals will go ahead and take all of this out, and then we'll try and fix our sprinkler system after that. But let me show you guys a picture of what it looked like before. This is what it looked like before. Look how crazy and overgrown that is. Sorry, my dogs are barking. My dogs are barking. But this is what it's like now. This mess. Overgrown mess. Look at that water in there. This thing is disgusting. Good thing it's out of here. But thanks for watching, guys.